Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, so we'll begin our lecture. We are studying chapter 2, addition and subtraction. In this chapter we have covered 7 exercises, right? And today we are going to perform the exercise 2.8. So open your book, open page number 32, open book page number 32, exercise 2.8. Exercise 2.8, which is on book page number 32. Okay, here you see that only one question in this exercise is there. Only one question, that is solve the following. Your question is solve the following. Question 1, part A. Okay, part A is a question is given there, 13,243 plus 13,243 minus 14,235. Okay, it is our question. We want to solve it. So for solving it, what we have to first, let us observe the question. Here you see that 1, 2 and 3, total 3 5-digit numbers are given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 number having 5 digits. Okay, so in this question 1, 2 and 3 numbers are given there. Okay, now let us check which operation we want to perform, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay, so when we observe the first two numbers, we say that between these first two numbers addition symbol is there, plus symbol is there. So we observe that here we have to perform addition operation, right? Here between these two numbers we will perform addition operation. Okay, and here you observe that a minus symbol is there. Means in this question, to solve this question you have to perform two operations. One is addition and one is subtraction. Okay, so for doing or for solving this question, what you will do, there are so many ways to solve this question, but I am telling you that listen carefully. You have to rewrite the given question. So I am rewriting the given question. Okay, plus 13,243 minus symbol, so I am putting minus, then 14,235. What I did, I rewrite the question. Now make the group of two numbers. Now make the group of two numbers. Okay, and when you make the group, use the brackets. Use the brackets. These are the parentheses, or you can call it a small bracket. Okay, so use these small bracket. There are 3 types of brackets. This is curly brackets or braces. Okay, this is large bracket, but you have to use the small bracket to group the numbers. When you make a group, you have to use this bracket. Okay, so what I am going to do, in one group I will put the two numbers. When steps get changed, you have to put this symbol. This symbol is this implies. Okay, so here it is my first step. Now I am doing the second step. In second step I will make the group of the numbers. In one group I will put the two numbers. Okay, in one group I will put two numbers. So what I am doing, I am making the group of these two numbers, first and second number. Okay, I am making the group of first and second number. So what I did, I put bracket here and numbers, right? Now be remember, in previous classes also I told you that be remember always solve the bracket first. So it is our bracket, so solve this part first. So when you come to here, you see that in bracket 13,243 plus 13,243 means, when you see the bracket you observe that here two numbers are adding. So in rough work what you have to do? In rough work, add both the numbers. Arrange the numbers column wise and add them. Okay? Why we are adding? Because here plus symbol is there. That is why we are performing addition. Now add 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So when you solve this bracket, what you get? What answer you get? What is the sum? The sum is 26,486. So write 26,486 here. This 26,486 is the result of the sum of these two numbers. Okay. Now you observe that we have solved this bracket. You observe that minus symbol is there. So put this minus symbol as it is. You observe that one number is there. So write that number here. Okay. Now again I am changing the step. So when you change this step, put the this implied symbol. Be remember, put the this implied symbol. Okay. Now our step is, what step is? One large number minus this 14,235. Now in rough work you can solve this. You have to solve this. So in rough work what you have to do? You have to solve 14,335 from 26,486. So it is 26,486, right? Already it is written here. Now you want to subtract 14,235 from it. So arrange 14,235 in column. You are performing subtraction, so put the minus symbol. Now start subtraction. From where I should start subtraction? From this column or from this column? From which side? Right. We always start subtraction from the ones column. Now subtract, the larger number is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Good. 8 minus 3. Solve the next column. 8 minus 3. I am waiting for your answer. 8 minus 3 is, right, 8 minus 3 is 5. Now move to the next column. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2. How many left? 2 is left. So you will write 2 over here. Now solve the next column. Solve the thousands column. The larger number is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is, it is 6. 6 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 2 is left. So write 2 in the answer. Now solve the last column. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So your final answer is 12,251. So write this answer here. 12,251. Okay. Now observe what we did for solving this question. We make the group of two numbers. Okay. We make the group of two numbers. Then first we solve the bracket part. Then we solve the remaining part of the question. Okay. So this is how we solve this question. Now let us do part B. Part B. observe part B. In part B also 3 numbers are given over there. Okay, 23,354 minus 13,243 plus 14,253. You observe that 3 numbers are given there. First number, second number and third number. Okay, and here also when you see that 2 operations you have to perform. One is subtraction and one is addition, right? So what is this step? First you will rewrite the number. We are going to start the solution. So what is this step for solution? You will rewrite the given question. So I am rewriting the given question. 23,354 minus 13,243 plus 14,253. Okay, I have rewritten the given number. Now when you change this step, you have to put this symbol, and this symbol is this implies symbol. When you change the step, you have to make this symbol. Okay, now what we will do? We will make the group of 2 number. Okay, so I am making the group of first 2 numbers. 23,354 minus 13,243. I am making the group of first 2 numbers, so I am keeping these 2 numbers in bracket. This is a small bracket. Now plus symbol is there, so put the plus symbol, and you have to write this number 14,253. Okay, and according to rule, what you have to do, you always solve the bracket first. So in bracket you see that 2 numbers are there and subtraction operation is there. So what you will do, you will arrange both the numbers column wise and perform subtraction. So in rough work you can do subtraction. It is your rough work. Okay, you can show rough work by pencil in your copy. Arrange the numbers. First number is 23,354 and your second number is 13,243. Put this minus symbol here. Now subtract. Start subtracting from the ones column. In ones column, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Your answer will be 1. 5 minus 4. Solve the next column. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now solve the next column. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is, write 1. Next column, 3 minus 3. In next column, 3 minus 3 is there. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Now solve the last column. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So when you solve this bracket, you got, what you got? You got 10,111. Okay. When you solve this bracket, you got 10,111. Now you observe that plus symbol is there, so put the plus symbol, and this number is there, so write 14,253. Okay, copy down this part as it is. So I have copied down. Now in next step, what we will do, observe this. We got 10,111 plus 14,253. Now you see that here you have to perform the addition between these 2 numbers. Okay, first number is 10,111. So 10,111 is already written here. Then the next number is 14,253, and you see that plus symbol is there. It means addition operation. So put plus here and perform addition. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So write 4 in ones column. Now solve the tens column. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So So write 6 over here. Now solve the next column. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now solve the last column. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got 24,364. When you add these two numbers, what you get? You get 24,364. Okay? It is your rough work and it is your solution. When the step gets changed, you have to put this symbol. This is, which symbol it is? It is equal to and one arrow. Equal to and arrow sign. Okay? The symbol is this implies symbol. The symbol name is this implies. Okay? So when a step gets changed, you have to put this symbol. Okay, now let us do the part C of this question. Part C. Part C. In part C also 3 numbers are given over there. 34,252 minus 14,353 plus 13,243. Okay. Now what? How will we solve this? We will rewrite the question. Okay. So I am rewriting the question. Minus 14,353 plus 13,243. Okay, now I am changing this step. So I am putting this symbol. Okay. Now what I will do? I will make the group of two numbers. So I will put the small bracket. Okay. So my bracket starts before the number is starting. Okay, then minus symbol, I am putting minus symbol. The second number I am writing 14,353. Now my second number is over, so I will close the bracket. Okay, here my bracket was opened and here I am closing the bracket. Now plus symbol is there, so put the plus symbol. Now a number is remaining, so write that number 13,243. Okay, what I did, I make the group of two numbers. Where you will put the bracket? Before starting the number, okay, I put a open bracket, and after ending the second number, I am putting the closing bracket. Okay, be remember, do not put the bracket here. Okay, it is the wrong way to put because you took the symbol inside the bracket. Okay, it is the wrong way. Where you will put? You will put the closing bracket after the ending of the second number. We remember this. Okay. Now next step. So for getting the next step, you have to solve the bracket first. In bracket you observe that two numbers are there, right, and one symbol is there. The symbol is of minus. It means you have to perform subtraction. So you can't write the answer directly. So what you have to do? In rough work you have to solve with this bracket. So arrange both the numbers, column wise and rough work. Rough work you can do by pencil. First number, then second number is 14,335. I arranged both the numbers of this bracket. I arranged both the numbers. Now you observe that the symbol is of minus. So put minus symbol here. Now start subtraction. 2 minus 3. 2 is a smaller number than this. You cannot subtract 3 from this 2. Now what? Now you will take borrow from the neighbor's column. It becomes 12. It has given borrow to here. Here only 4 is left. Okay. Now solve the ones column. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. What will be your answer? Draw the 12 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now 12 minus 3. So remove 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. When you remove these 3 sticks, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks remain. So your answer is 9. Okay. We solved the ones column. Now move to the tens column. In tens column you see that 4 minus 5. 4 is a smaller number than 5. You cannot subtract 5 from the 4. Then again you have to take borrow from the neighbors column. So when you take borrow, it becomes 14 and here only 1 is left. Right? Now solve this tens column. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. So what you can do? You can count. You can do subtraction on your fingers, or you can draw sticks and remove 5 sticks from it. So I am drawing 14 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, now subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I removed the 5 stick. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many sticks left? 9 sticks. So write 9 here. Okay. Now move to the next column. In next column 1 minus 3. Again 1 is a smaller number than 3. So you cannot subtract 3 from 1. So what you will do? You will take the borrow from the neighbors column. So it becomes 11. And here it has given borrow. So here only 3 left. Okay, now solve with this column. 11 minus 3. Give me answer fast. I am waiting for your answer. 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay. Now solve the next column. In next column 3 minus 4. You cannot subtract 4 from the 3 as 3 is the smaller than 4. Now you will take the borrow from it. It becomes 13. Okay, and 1 borrow this 3 has given. So here only 2 is left. Now subtract. Now get this answer. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. Your answer is 9. Okay, now solve the last column. That is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So when you solve this bracket, when you subtracted 14,353 from 34,252, what you got? You got 19,899. So write this in the next step. 19,899. Now we solve this bracket. After the bracket, what is remaining? The remaining part you have to write. But be remember a symbol is there, so put that symbol also. Now write the number 13,243. Now observe this step. What this step is saying? Two numbers are there, one symbol is there. You have to add both these numbers because plus symbol is there. That is why you have to add both these numbers. So 19,899 is already written here. Now you want to add this 13,243 to it. So I have arranged 13,243 in the column with this 19,899. We are adding, so I am putting plus symbol. Now add 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. So 2 I am putting here. 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add this. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I will write 4 here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 10, 11. So I will write 1 here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now solve with this column. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I will write 3 here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So your final answer is 33,142. So when we solve this, what we get? We get 33,142. Okay. This is how we got our final answer. Now let us do part D. Part D. Five lakh 34,632 minus 4,36,361 plus 13,253. Again you have to solve this question. Before solving we observe that three numbers are there. First number, second number and third number, right? Three numbers are given there. Now observe here, between these first two numbers minus symbol is there and between these two numbers plus symbol is there. Means when you observe the question, you see that you have to perform two operations. One is subtraction and one is addition. Okay, so what is this step? You will rewrite the given question as it is. So I am rewriting. First number is 5,34,632 minus 4,36,361 plus symbol, so I am putting plus 13,253. Okay, now we are changing the step, so put this implies sign. Now make the group of first two numbers. So these are first two numbers, this is first and this is second number. So put these two numbers in bracket, in a small bracket. Okay, so where I will put this in bracket? Before starting the number and after the ending of the second number. Now I put the bracket. Now copy down this part, so plus symbol and 13,253. Okay, now solve the bracket first. So in bracket you observe that subtraction is there. So arrange both the number column wise and do subtraction. 5,34,632 and 4,36,361. In bracket you observe that minus symbol is there, so put minus here. Now subtract 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 6. You cannot subtract 6 from 3 because 3 is a smaller number. So now take borrow, it becomes 13, here only 5 left. Okay. Now solve with this column. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 13 minus 6 is, I am waiting for your answer. Solve it. 13 minus 6. Yes, 7 is right answer. Now solve the next column. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Tell me the answer. 5 minus 3. Yes, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now solve the next column. That is 4 minus 6. 4 is smaller than 6. You cannot subtract. Then what you have to do? You have to take the borrow. It becomes 14. This 3 has given one borrow. Here only 2 is left. Okay. Now solve this column. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 2. 14 minus 6. Yes, 8 is the right answer. Now solve the next column. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. You cannot subtract. You cannot subtract 3 from the smaller number, so you have to take borrow. When you take borrow, it becomes 12. This number is given borrow, so here only 4 is left. 12 minus 3. Now perform. 12 minus 3 is 9, and solve the last column. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, 0 is at left side, so you can ignore this 0. So when you solve, what you got? You got 98,271 as the answer. So write your answer over here, 98,271. This is our answer of this bracket. Now copy down the remaining part. The remaining part is plus, then 13,253. Now observe this step. Two numbers are there, and which operation? Addition operation is there. So you have to add both the numbers. This number is already written here, 98,271. Okay. Now arrange this in column wise. 13,253, and you observe that addition is there, so put the plus symbol. Now start adding. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So write 4 in ones column. Now solve the tens column. In tens column, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is, you can draw these sticks to get the answer, or you can count on finger also. So see, 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got 12, so I will write 2 here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2 more finger. How many? 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now solve the next column. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. Tell me the answer. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So write 1 over here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. So you will write 1 over here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. So what you got? You got 1,11,524 as the answer. So write this answer over here. When you add these two numbers, you got 1,11,524. So this is how we do this type of questions. Now part E and part F are your homework part, or I will provide you the PDF. Through that you can write in your classwork copy. I hope you understand well this topic. So now today our chapter 2 is over. Keep practicing the addition and subtraction at home and complete your classwork copy. Till then, bye students.